I'm almost ready. I'm almost ready. My keys, my shawl, my jacket. Here. My luggage is here. Look. I have my bag, my hand carry, my suitcase, my pillow, some food and stuff. I've already locked up the house. I've locked up these 2 rooms now. I'm just actually waiting for Aaron James to come pick me up. Prasad already left, so I'm taking a ride with Aaron James. And then from here, inshallah, we can pass by Omantel to have the Wi-Fi temporarily disconnected. I still have these things to do. My checklist, so that I will not forget anything. Going home. Actually, believe it or not, look. I couldn't close the zipper at the back. I cannot reach where I can put my hand up here, only up to here. And then when I go this way, I cannot reach for it, so I cannot close it. Ha ha ha! I'll have somebody close it up for me later. We're leaving. I'm leaving. See you September, sir. Sir Mohammed Riaz. We worked together twice in invigilation. The first time we caught two. We caught two. Thankfully, the second time, nobody. Ay, God. Going home again, sir. When are you going? Oh, so this week. You have enough credits. So you're coming back early or late?
Coming back. 2 weeks early.
Coming back, inshallah, 28 August. Hi, madam. I'm going today.
You're leaving. Okay, happy
Yes.
vacation.
How about you? This week also?
Yeah. 18th.
18, Thursday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Also you 18? Thursday.
Okay. So
How is-
happy vacation.
You know,
And safe
remember that we had like a series of like air accidents some time ago, like last year,
Yeah.
and then another one this time that was giving me some apprehension, you know. Like so
Don't
scary.
worry, everything in the hands of God. So
Yeah, I
be
said,
safely
but
done.
I was thinking, you know, I've proven it from time to time. If it's not your time to die, it's not your time to die.
Look, I'm that.
But it's still worrying, you
237
know?
one survey.
Yeah. Hello. And then there's one guy, a Thai national. He was also in an accident before, some 15 years ago. And he was also seated at 11A.
Oh.
And he also survived. So this time we'll
Special
clamor for 11A. We can get 11A. Bigger chances.
Now 11 is very costly, is it?
They placed it?
Yes, sir. They changed the ticket price.
Oh,
Wow.
really? Okay.
If you get 11A. It's like paranoid. I'll just go there and ask HRD permission. I just went to my boss, my HOD, and said goodbye. That one is done. That one is done. Can you open your CIMS? No. Oh, see, it's opening, but it's not displaying the advice.
For all the same.
So how are they? How are we supposed to do our job?
I don't know. We are leaving today.
Yeah,
So
that's why.
beautiful. So beautiful, gorgeous. Nice.
Always in a dress when I go home.
Yeah. Good. You?
Yeah, I bought 5 dresses actually, and then my husband
Choose this
choose
one.
this one.
Good.
Try
Let
to
me
see.
check.
Will be you will not miss me.
No.
You
Day
don't give
one.
us a chance.
You will not miss
tomorrow you
me.
can see day one.
Day one.
Yeah, exactly.
Breakfast,
No, no,
lunch,
yeah, yeah.
Landing my hometown.
As soon as I have the time and make the video, it will be there. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, you're taking the video.
Only this.
Have a safe flight, safe trip, safe flight.
I will. I'll just you'll see me in Instagram and Facebook. Everything. You won't miss me at all.
Have a safe flight, safe trip.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you. See you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
You have to go there outside.
I'll say goodbye. I'll say goodbye to my friends. My friends.
I see. They are dropping you.
Ay,
Yeah. Take
okay. Changing of the guards, huh?
Connection, I said.
Correction. Connecting point.
Connection. Okay, Lesha. God be with you.
Thank you. I'll see you September, huh?
Yeah.
You take care of yourself also, huh? Your health, okay?
Likewise.
Mwah. Bye. Changing! Here we are! I'm here! Hello! Ching!
Sir. The car is
Money, sir. They're dropping me off at the house.
Sorry, okay.
City Center, Sib. Stopover para kumain. Gutom na po kami. Naisuka ko po yung breakfast ko. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Alas 4 na po. Kaya kakain muna kami. Yummy. Type ko yung shirt ni Yummy.
Number ka.
Agatan, may send ko yung WhatsApp mo. Hindi na. They close. Marks and Spencer's close. R&B na.
Okay lang naman dyan.
Nasa Applebee's po kami. Sige. What are we gonna eat? Ayan. Mag-order po kami. Ano bang kakainin? Sige na. Steak. Hindi ka naman pwede sa pasta, ano? Chicken, pwede ka? Buffalo wings, gusto mo? Buffalo wings with quesadillas.
Ano ka dyan?
Yun na. Sharing tayo.
Oo.
Tapos, buffalo wings and then isang rib.
Yeah.
Okay. Darling,
Or hindi buffalo. Dito na pa.
mas gusto mo ganyan?
Or
Isa
gusto
ba-
mo po. Dahil may steak na tayo di ba?
Ito,
The
ayaw mo
same-
yung ganito?
The same naman ang ano niya. Which one? Okay, yan na lang. Oh,
Yan
pwede
lang.
yan.
Para ito kasi fried.
Dry.
Oo, ito
Ayan
na
na
lang.
lang. Oh.
Sige. Hello!
Opo.
I'd like the buffalo wings. 6 pieces.
And
Tapos yung full rack. Full rack nito.
Ay, hindi po yan available. Ito lang po, itong riblets.
Ayaw.
Wala pa rin po kasi yung supply.
Yung mga ganito.
Yan, available po yung mga steak. Pero same kilo lang naman po sila, pero separate bone nga lang po.
Okay. Pero ribs din yan.
Opo,
Ano pagkaluto niya?
sizzling po.
Sizzling? Okay lang sa'yo pag sizzling? Siya, yun na yan. Tapos drinks nyo, meron kayong mga mojito or something or
Ano po
lemonade.
yung sauce nyo? Dito.
Bakit may mga sauce pa ba?
Teka lang,
Ano?
kukuha po ako ng English.
Meron kayo.
Pepsi po.
Okay.
Isang light
Ikaw,
Pepsi.
te.
You have like, parang mojito?
Meron po.
Asan ba? Wala naman dito sa ay yung blue. The blue man.
Blue. Blue pa ng margarita or mojito.
Ay, ito na lang. Peach. Isang
Peach mango.
Sige. So, paki-repeat order.
6 pieces buffalo wings. Wing sauce po to.
Ano yung sauce namin?
Wing sauce. Or honey barbecue.
Hindi. Honey.
Honey
Honey barbecue.
Honey barbecue.
Oo, honey
Sa
barbecue.
buffalo wings po, yung 6 pieces po.
Aha.
Ano pong sauce nyo? Honey barbecue
Honey
or wing
barbecue.
sauce? Yung buffalo po yung yung starter nyo po.
Kaya nga, honey.
Honey barbecue
Oo.
din.
Wag yung maanghang ha.
Apo.
Tapos,
Tapos isang riblets, honey barbecue sauce din po.
ha?
Ito po. Ito po, yung riblets.
Pag dalawa na.
Di ba po sabi nyo yung buffalo wings?
Iba pa yun.
Yung starter.
Oo. So ito,
Yung 6 pieces po.
Hindi,
ito
isabay
po.
mo na lang. Isabay mo na lang instead of starter
Yung
siya.
gusto nyo po.
so ang sauce nito tsaka sauce nito, ito din yung pagpipilian.
Opo. Pero dito po kasi sa
Kaya ako naguluhan.
itong buffalo wings, 2 choices lang po siya.
Ah.
Yung honey barbecue tsaka wing sauce.
Ano yung wing sauce?
Yun yung spicy.
Sige. Alam naman pareha sila ng lasa. So, i-Korean barbecue mo na lang tong ito.
Iyan po. Sige po.
Otherwise, pareha sila ng lasa.
Wag.
Wag naman.
Korean na.
Pero wag sabing milder spice.
Mild lang.
Kung yung ayaw ko yung
Hindi po siya. Hindi naman po siya masyado
sige. Basta sabihin mo kung
Yung 6 pieces buffalo wings, yun din yung honey barbecue. Yun po yung may bones na pieces, honey barbecue, and then riblets, Korean barbecue sauce, and then cauliflower, 1 diet Pepsi, and peach mango sangria.
Okay. Yan, okay na. Pwede na. Kain po namin. Kakain po kami. Di pa nga po kami nagla-lunch. Lunch dinner na po ito. Busugan na. Ako hanggang bukas pa ako kakain.
Peach mango sangria po.
Ay, andito pa. Drinks. What a big drink. It's a giant drink.
Ito yung
Giant pala siya. Gang. I arrived at the airport. Yami just dropped me off. But my flight won't be until early morning tomorrow. I'm here so very early. Unfortunately. Or fortunately, whatever it is. Should I go for wrapping now? Or later? Now or later? Now or later? This is the airport. It's a good thing there's a pharmacy here in the airport, because last time I bought my medication for my high blood, like losartan, the pharmacy only have 2 boxes. I'll be gone for 2.5 months, so I should have around 3 boxes. So when I went to buy, they only have 2 boxes left, so I'm short by 1 box. Thankfully, they have a pharmacy here, and they have the medication, so I was able to buy the 3rd box. Isn't that nice? And the price is the same. Good. Now I'm on my way to the left to go to the next level. I will spend the time there perhaps around until 1 a.m. Please uh 1 a.m. So how many hours is that? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 7 hours. I'll be stuck in the airport for 7 hours with no one to talk to because I'm traveling alone. Can you believe that? But anyway, time passes fast. Ooh, wait for me. It opened. Wait. Food court, prayer room. Okay. So I'm in the lift. See how nice the lift is. I'm going on the second floor. It's the floor between departure and arrival. So I'm here. There's not much in the food court though. I wish they have more shops in the food court. How come there's only Tim Hortons here? Nothing else? Surely? Huh? Only Tim Hortons is here? Nothing else? How come? So that's Tim Hortons over there. I checked the board earlier. They canceled flight for Tehran. So that means they really are canceling certain flights for certain destinations. I think this is filled up here. I like this place here because they have sofa type, and so you can lie down and recline properly. So I found a spot. I'm gonna sit here for a while. A long while actually. I'm gonna stay here until 1 a.m. and then head for wrapping, and then after that I'll go for check-in. I will also need to do online check-in also. So for now, just take myself chill a bit, just rest and wait for the time to flow so slowly. Yeah, from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. I was waiting and passing the time, seated there in the food court, 7 hours long. I'm now on my way to have my luggage wrapped and then proceed near the check-in counter where I will have to turn over my bag because I already checked in online. Yeah. So I am done with immigration. I am done with security check. Hi, and as always, I was body searched because the x-ray keep on beeping whenever I pass through an x-ray because of my bangle that cannot be removed. And then I was also wearing my dog tag, so I forgot about that. That's inside my dress, so I was wearing it also. And then that's it. I'm on my way to my gate, which is A9. Alright. Where is it? Should I use the walkalator? Should I use the walkalator or not? Anyway, there's time, so I'm gonna walk instead of use the walkalator. And I have a smaller trolley this time. First, I'm gonna look for my gate before I browse anything. Nice pillows. I have nice pillows there, but they're very costly. I checked the price before. On board. Finally on board. After 12 hours, I'm on board. I'm so sleepy, I'm so tired, and I still have like 13 hours more to go. The last meal I had was at around 4 p.m. yesterday. So it's basically after 12 hours I've eaten again. So yeah, I'm hungry. This is what they gave. I don't know what this is. It's like a pudding. There's sandwich, there's muffin, water and juice. It will do. Anyway, it's just less than 1 hour flight. I arrived in Dubai. It's been 5 years. The last time I was in Dubai was New Year of 2020. A couple of weeks after that, Baba Kabus died. A couple of months after that, COVID. And I have been back here. Although I'm just in the airport. Anyhow, Dubai is still Dubai. I'm back. It's been a while. So, I just got off the plane and went to transfer. Now I'm on my way to my gate. Is there time to have breakfast somewhere? Let me see first where the gate is. Guys, see, I like the duty free of Dubai airport. It's so huge. I'm gonna go around later. It's been a while. Oh my god, chocolate! Buy two get one free. Oh, Lind, how much is it? Mine is here.
Yeah, so you can just roam or you can just come back again.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for the help. A13 Casablanca. Why is it Casablanca? They have Swarovski. They have Pandora, but I'm gonna buy my Pandora later. Nah. Longchamp, how much is it now? This kind of... Wait, my bags are always too heavy. It won't be able to last if it's like that. That's a really nice one though. So that's why I haven't considered Longchamp, because the first time I had that, it didn't last long. Oh, Michael Kors. MK. But this one will be better, I think, no? Coach! Oh my god, Coach is here. Oh my god. Temptation, wait. I wanted this one. Oh. Yeah, they have card holder. How much is the card holder? Victoria's Secret. That is Mont Blanc. That one is a nice brand. How much is the card holder? I want the card holder. How much is it? 47 real. Okay. Porsche. 32 or 30 real. Bobbi Brown. What else is here? Victoria's Secret. I wanna buy something. But what? So when I checked in Muscat, I was told that my gate here in Dubai is B. When I got to Dubai, they said it's A13. When I looked at the board just now, it's A7. So 3 times my gate changed. So I'm walking here and there, as I'm being passed around from B to A13 to A7. So I'm on my way to A7, which is still a long way from where I am. A7. From B to A13 to A7. Baka mamaya palipatin na naman kami. Diyos ko, hilo-hilo na ako. Ay, siguro, yung sasakay tayo ng bus.
Hindi ko tayo pwede get your maki.
Been delayed for an hour. The flight was supposed to leave 9:10. It's already 10:09. So it's an hour delay. So that means we're arriving Manila 11 p.m. instead of 10 p.m. Oh my God. Pero what can we do? Just a little kembot na lang. Ilang oras na lang ba? How long will it? I think over an hour pa. We'll be in Manila. Delayed by an hour. So by the time we come out, perhaps midnight na. Wala kami ng mahal. Pagod ang mahal ng haba ng biyahe. Pagod na. Ang haba ng pila sa immigration. Ang tagal pag lumabas ng luggage ko. Like it took 20 minutes for me to retrieve my luggage. So dito taking the screen niya. Dito na po ako sa sasakyan. I'm so tired. Aircon, mahal. Pinagpapawisan ng mahal mo.